Though there is still some time until the Samsung Galaxy S24 series launches in January of next year, leaks and speculations have already provided a clear image of what to anticipate. A recent news from the trustworthy Samsung-related leak heightens the suspense. Source: the whole Galaxy S24 family, including Revegnis, is expected to use LTPO M13 screens with an amazing peak brightness of 2500 nits, according to the source. This is a change from the past, when the only LTPO panels that could achieve such high brightness levels were found on Ultra versions. In comparison to the M12 panel used in the Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Flip 5, and the most recent iPhone 15 series, the next generation M13 OLED display panel is more efficient and slimmer. The resolution and size of the Galaxy S24 and Plus Ultra display differences, according to the rumor, will be the main differences. Anticipate a substantial 6.8-inch display on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 with a 6.1-inch display and the Galaxy S24 Plus with a 6.65-inch screen. If rumors are to be believed, the series will reportedly be powered by the highly anticipated Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It is anticipated that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will also power the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. This second Gen 4 NM chipset is said to be unique to the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the USA. However, in other regions of the globe, the Exynos 2400 chipset will be more widely used. There are rumors that Samsung may reduce the 10x zoom on the Galaxy S24 Ultra to a 5x1, however, this might imply that some aspects of the flagship, which is expected to come early next year, will not be present. The Galaxy Ultra range from Samsung has been advertised with outrageous hardware specifications, so one may assume that a reduction would make sense. By switching to a 5x telephoto camera, Apple has undoubtedly closed the gap a little. A 5x telephoto camera might really be confusing to the ordinary user. This reduction, in my opinion, would be a mistake since Samsung would not be able to market its flagship with double the zoom capacity of its primary competitors. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.